feel like it's your special day. I'm about to decorate and celebrate. I won't hesitate to anything you say.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so this is my second vlog, and as you can tell by the title, it's my birthday vlog. So it's my auntie's birthday. Yay! Yeah, so today is October 30. Yeah, and it's 9:03. I've been on the road running errands for like all day. So I went to pick up a package with my stuff. I went to purchase some stuff for my birthday, all that. And November is my month, so may I start my birthday celebration then from November 1st. Yes, because it's my month. We turn it up all month. Tomorrow I'm gonna be getting my hair done and my nails done. Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Good morning. So it's currently October 31st. It's 7 a.m. Why am I wake up so early? Enough things to do today. You got my attention. You got So today is November 1st and it's now 6:49 a.m. So yeah, it's officially the first day of my birthday celebrations. As you guys can see, I got my hair done yesterday. Curls nice and pinned up on the things down, and I got my nails done. I love it. So today we are going to Ocho Rios. You know, we're just gonna chill on the beach while I vibe, probably do some water sports and stuffs. Yeah, and I'm gonna do a photo shoot as well. So stay tuned. I'm gonna take you guys with me.
The bass in the room, the way that you move. If you do a Jamaica tattoo, one vibe you go to like, you know, the people that see picture more. Yes.
Hey my love, so I am home. It's currently 11:41 p.m. and y'all, I had a ball today. Like, oh my god. As y'all can see by the clips, your girl had a time, okay? But what I didn't show or say earlier today was I was gonna cry. Like I was on the verge of tears on my way to Ocherius. So I was like 30 minutes away from the location. And then my makeup artist called and she was like, oh, I gotta cancel because I don't have any electricity. Massage stress. But then I was like, okay, I can find a makeup artist, right? I was like, okay, man, I make that stress name. Then, not even 5 minutes after, I'm not even exaggerating, as I come off of the call with the makeup artist, my photographer sent me a photo and told me that he met in an accident. Mind you, him live far. He was traveling from far away from the location. So it was, that's when I did want to cry. And then when we reach Ocherius, rain a tear. Like, when we say rain a tear, I mean tear. And oh my god, y'all, made one ball. And I was just holding my composure. I was like, nah, I'm gonna let this ruin my vibe, because me used to it. Every year, it doesn't even have to be on my birthday. From me, I do something in celebration of my birthday, some shit always happens, and then in the end I enjoy it. Like, so I was like, okay, let me just not let this bother me and try to move past this. So I did. We got to the location. Rain was still falling, but it cooled down afterwards. And then I still got my photos and my videos, and I went on a jet ski, and I did, yeah, enjoyed. But I'm gonna actually do the photo shoot tomorrow, although it was not planned, but me need to do my photo shoot. Yeah, me need to do my photo shoot. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow at a different beach, but it's still very pretty, and I feel like they were gonna just come out so tea. So yeah. But yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna do it in the evening tomorrow around 4 p.m. But I'm gonna go and recurl my hair first and do my makeup, and then I'm gonna go and do my photo shoot officially this time. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. I am praying, and may I watch the weather up like a hawk. May I pray and I hope say everything just goes smoothly tomorrow, because as I stated before, never go smoothly today. So may I pray say it goes smooth tomorrow. But yeah, fingers crossed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So can you come pick up your clothes? I had them folded. Meet me at the door. It's still open. I know it's getting cold now, but it's not frozen. So come pick up your clothes. I had them folded. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Alright guys, so I just got my makeup done. Yeah. TTT.
Pretty like a Swedish crown. Tell your face so pretty. Posting her close friends. Put it on your main page.
side. Look towards me. Yes, you like the side. Yes, so look towards me first. So slowly. I'm going to look so. Like you look so. Yeah. I'm going to come up close.
I'm home. So, wanna see how my ear look messy? The breeze fight me the whole time. But listen, so far, this shoot that I did today is my favorite. Like the one yesterday, but I love it. But this one, and I have a next one to do on my actual birthday. But the 1 year I'm gonna do so far, love it. Absolutely love it. Y'all remember the bouquet that I bought? I did not use it, guys. Must stress why am I buy the bouquet and I never remember it. Like I literally leave it in the car, leave it around the back, and so when I was coming out of the car, it never slipped my mind none at all. Say I have a bouquet and some petals. It never crossed my mind at all. So yeah, no I have a bouquet way whenever I use. And I bought a Moscato because my photographer told me, oh, we could pop the bottle for the pictures. Pop which bottle? Listen, when I went, it was just I want to go home. So all we do, just take the picture of them, take the video of them, and dip whenever I have the time or the energy for, do no what pop props or whatever. So I'm gonna probably just use the Moscato on my birthday for that shoot. That's gonna fit the theme. I don't think the rose is gonna fit that theme, but yeah, no me have a bouquet woman I will use. But anyways, I had so much fun today. I'll see you guys on my birthday. Hey my loves. From when I see how excited it is supposed to know like what day it is already, like I don't even have to tell you though. But it's your girl's birthday. Happy birthday to me. It is Friday, November 7th. Ooh, angel numbers. It's 1:11 p.m. Y'all. Y'all, I'm just so grateful to be here. Like, big up God. Always big up my parents, big up my family, and big up my real friends, like my realest friends. Big up. But I literally could not be here without all these people. I'm so grateful. I've been on a journey, bro. Like the real ones know I've been through it, so I'm just so happy. I'm here. I'm alive, in good spirits, good heart, good mind, good body, pasty. Yeah, so I'm just happy, literally just so happy. But for today, the agenda, I'm gonna go fix my hair. Yeah, I forgot hairdresser anytime my hair want fix, cause my hairdresser like, look, yeah, I wouldn't know how to fix this, but yeah. I'm gonna do that, and then I have a makeup appointment at 7. I'm gonna come back home, get ready, and then I have a photo shoot. I'm not supposed to need no more picture after the birthday here, like the amount of picture and video. But yeah, I'm gonna do another photo video shoot. And then I'm gonna go out with my girls for the night and take y'all with me. So let's go. Hi guys, so I'm heading out now. I'm gonna go get my makeup done and my hair fixed, although it don't really need to fix, but yeah, it's now 6:01 p.m. Don't watch me here, I could do no better. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys at my makeup appointment.
It's your birthday, look good on your birthday. Chanel for your birthday, Van Cleef for your birthday. It's your birthday, it's me for your birthday. Keep peace on your birthday, she easy the birthday, girl. Let me take the chance before I miss mine. Hopping on the road so I don't spend time, girl. I promise I do better at it this time. I know you know the truth, but I hate still like, girl. She a star player, she on bench ride. A celebrity yourself, so you on dick ride, girl. Yeah, one cherish in the outside. I started out by learning from the inside, girl. Oh man, girl, you just found what I want. I said it did right by you just for the outcome. I should've put you before them cause you're the main one. And it'll never be a time again where I come first. Always left me calm, always on time. Hey, you my all,
Good morning. Well, I don't want to know. Afternoon, it's like 12 p.m. I just woke up, y'all. I did not get no clips when I was out, like other than the clips that I got in the car. I didn't get no clips, but I had a time. I don't know why I'm look so, but I enjoyed my birthday. Like, yeah, it was fun. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who, you know, showed up for me and, you know, was there for me on my birthday. Y'all had a time. Not too much, but I had a time. Very cutesy, very demure. But thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed my birthday vlog as much as I did. And I will see you guys when I see you guys, because y'all know I'm not gonna be consistent. I'm not a YouTuber, so I'm not gonna be consistent. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog.